Hey, wait a second. Wait a second. I just thought about this. That's going to shoot out all the way back toward us.
Yeah. Let's back up a little bit. You're right. It will. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Miss.
No, right. I think I hit it.
You went through the thing, but you didn't hit the...
All right, take two.
First shot, missed. Second shot, missed.
Dang, Matthew. I can't even see the skull. Really? That's not good. Okay.
Third shot, missed.
That was on.
Go back
Last
to your original
shot.
spot.
My original spot?
Yeah, right up by the truck.
Good job. We'll stay here.
Get behind that tree. There you go. We'll go up there and there'll be holes in the box. All right, go.
This is for the money. No whammies.
Yeah, you gotta kind of pull the bolt down, you know.
No whammies, no whammies, no whammies. Stop.
We're out.
I hit it that
I know.
Well, you're going to know in a minute if you hit it. Get the brass, put it up here.
Dang.
Some bull crap.
Disappointment. Then it explodes just now.
It just smokes.
It was delayed.
Pothead.
We could make a black powder trail down to it. Light the black powder trail on fire.
And the fire won't burn it.
The fire won't burn it?
So it's like a good hear an explosion in the distance. What was that? I don't know.
Yeah, no, you didn't hit it. That was the closest.
He's shooting low. Didn't puncture the bag. Shot the box twice, didn't puncture the bag.
Wow. Not my fault. So what now?
I got more bullets at the house. I'll have to shoot it.
You can't shoot better than me. And that's a fact.
Can't shoot worse.
Mr. Ted gets it on his first shot. Matthew, I'm going to do that. Yeah, he's not going to. Shoots a little low.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess that's why we're supposed to be back a little ways. That shit is bad.
That was awesome. Yes, that was. That was awesome. Yes, it was. That dishwasher blew up, sucker. Bye-bye.